What is up, guys? This is D'Artagnan, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my designs and make a shirt using CRICUT Design Space. So hey, y'all stay tuned. Finna get right into it right away, so let's go. Alright guys, so this is my CRICUT Design Space, and I'm just gonna go to just one that I already did just to show y'all briefly, and I can get into it even more later on. Sometimes you just gotta click some titles because it's gonna show you a picture anyway. But just some different designs that I do, especially for my brand, but I'm gonna do this one in particular because this is what I'm wearing right now, the Dream Leaders. So but guys, how I did this is, what I did was to create this, got a shape, for instance a square, come down. I'm showing you step by step how I do this too as well. If it'll let me click the square, no, okay, there we go. So all I did was kind of stretch that out, and you get a text. So say for instance, my shirt say "Be blessed, be the best, be you." What if I put "Be blessed" on there, right? Get "Be blessed." And the great thing about this is you can change the color, so whatever color that you're looking for, you can change it to be in that, which is also a good thing. So I'm just showing y'all real quick the process of how I made the Dream Leader shirt. Didn't want to do the whole thing, but all you do right now is you click. We already got this highlighted, so now we want to click the box, and usually I just do command. If you have an Apple, I just do command and click. Then you want to slice it. Then once you slice it, you get 3 products. Of course, you still get your "Be blessed." You get one with just the outline, and then you get one just in your square. See that? So, and that's how I did this Dream Leaders, which is what I'm going to be showing y'all, in which I'm going to be showing y'all how I also cut it out on my CRICUT. All right. So first, now that we got that, I usually with this, I know you see the shirt I have on now is just one color, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it with 2 colors. All right. And as for these 2, sometimes I just move them down, or you don't even have to move it down until you're getting ready to make it really. So let's go ahead and make it while it's loading. So now we're in our little space where we're supposed to place it on the mat. And my mat, and you can get longer mat. My mat is the 12 inches. I think it's 12 inches. It's 12 by 12. So, and that's what we want, right? So we got these 2 always mirrored. When I first started this, I used to always forget to mirror it. But now that we here, guys, we mirrored it. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to the CRICUT so y'all can see how it works, how it goes. And I just did something simple, did something that I already did. Maybe later on in the future, I'll do something to where y'all can see me do something from scratch. Maybe see me do something where I get an image and try to fix it up real nice or something like that. But hey, let's move on to this CRICUT so we can cut this out. this is a finished product. So hey, it turned out great. I already made a couple of these for people, but now you see the process and how I do this. And of course, this is a 2-color, this is 1 color. So this 1 color would have been quicker, easier. The two color took some time because I had to weed out both of them. But it got the job done. Now we got a perfect shirt. Now it's time to sell it. But guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Follow me on this journey so I can help y'all start your t-shirt business. Hey, you see how I do it. You see the process using the Cricut. It's some time, but I promise I just did this probably in like 20 minutes. Just one shirt. Just imagine. And I can show y'all a process of doing multiple shirts later on in the video if y'all want it. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow me on this journey. Send down recommendations of what else you want to see about the t-shirt business. But that's all I have, guys. Hey, and like the shirt said, y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.